Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna be organizing our pickup area. And I say organizing because, as you can see, most of our orders just go on the top, especially when they're heavy boxes. We don't wanna be bending over and picking them up. But anyways, we were following the number system, and we've come to find out that nobody ever really gives us their order number. And so we kind of just didn't follow that system. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be changing from numbers to letters, and we're gonna go from A to C and then put the order under the last name because everybody knows their last name. And when we have companies, then we'll use the companies. Okay. I think this is pretty even.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that, it's perfect.
You did great.
Just eyeballing it. So we have some papers now.
Heck yeah.
Alright guys, so we are making our things right now. Watch me mess up under pressure.
Look at that. Better than creating and printing.
Yes.
So good.
But yes, so we're just decorating. That's what they'll end up looking like at the end. Putting our cute little dots. Make your improvements fun, guys. Have some fun with it.
Try it again.
Okay guys, so we've got our signs ready for display. So we're gonna take the old ones off now. This is what we were working with, order numbers. We switched to company name and last.
These are so old that the pink color faded. So it just says R-E.
Alright.
N-M-E-S.
Decorate. Alright, so that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, there's our other
Perfect.
one.
Perfect.
Right, and done. Alright guys, so right now we're just looking at our job jackets and organizing everything. So we've got Roger Fernandez, so he is gonna go.
Roger Fernandez. Oh, under the last name. See, I'm getting
Yes.
confused already. Okay.
We'll get it.
Perfect. Okay guys, so here we have it. We organized all the orders again by the last name or company, and now our table is nice and clean and it looks much better. It's all cluttered.
Video. So these are my 2 thumbs of approval for our new improvement.